Today we're going to talk about Java programming. I'm your instructor, John Talagon, but you can call me John. Who is this class for? There is no assumption that you know any Java or other OO programming languages, but if you do, you may find the first few weeks boring since we're going to do some catch-up classes. You must have programming experience, but we will not spend a lot of time on syntax, procedural constructs, operators, etc., because it is assumed that you can pick this up. History of Java. The first version of Java was released in 1995. There are 8 major versions released since then: JDK 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 5.0, 6.0, 7.0, which were all released from 1996 to 2011. There are 5 design principles of Java you're supposed to know: the simple, object-oriented, and familiar one, the robust and secure one, the architecture neutral and portable, execute with high performance one, and the interpreted, threaded, and dynamic one. What is/isn't Java? You have to read chapter 1 of Core Java, which the discussion there is very impartial. Basically, compared to C, Java is a relatively high-level language with many built-in features for portably doing useful things, such as multi-threading, writing distributed programs, writing GUI clients, error handling, extending web servers, embedding programs in web browsers, and connecting to commercial databases. Programming with Java. Java versus C. Equally as important, Java has many core language features that make it much more natural to express abstraction, develop software frameworks, and etc. Also, many core language features features debugging with ease and promotes reusable code. Compiling and running first Java programs. To start a Java program, you have to create a source code file. Call it, for example, myfirstprogram.java. To compile, you have to use a prompt of jvac and myfirstprogram.java as the name. This produces a bytecode file named myfirstprogram.class. To run it, just prompt of Java myfirstprogram. Observations. .class file is not machine code. It is an intermediate form called Java bytecode, and it can run on any platform as long as it has an executioner, a JVM, or a Java virtual machine. The second step from the previous slide invokes the JVM to interpret the bytecode on the given platform. In theory, bytecode can be moved to another platform and be run there without recompiling. This is the magic of applets. Leave off the .class part when invoking the JVM. This is an old-fashioned command line program. Java also supports GUI applications and web browser-hosted programs called applets. After the first couple of weeks, we will use graphical rather than scripting front ends. To keep things simple, our first few programs will all be written as just a single main program. In Java, the file in which your program resides must contain a .java extension, example given, myfirstprogram.java. This will be the last one.